If you have recently created Amazon affiliate link, then how you can add any type of or any products Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story, or how you can simply promote your product that is from affiliate marketing Amazon on your Instagram profile. For this, you have to post a simple story with your link on your affiliate market. Simply just copy the link of your product and open your Instagram in front of you. Here, what you have to do is swipe to the left, and you will see a huge menu to add a picture or anything on your story. You can simply create a black picture, and then on the top of the screen, you can see there is a sticker option on the second, and there is a lot of option again: location, mention, music, and many more. But in between, you will see the option called link. You simply have to copy your affiliate link here and my product link. So now this link is pasted on my profile. I can simply share a story out of this. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.